Hey there, math enthusiast. Today we're going to break down algebra step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Master the basics. Make sure you're comfortable with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the foundation of algebra. Step 2. Understand variables. In algebra, we use letters, variables, to represent unknown values. For example, in the equation x plus 2 equals 5, x is the variable. Step 3. Solve equations. To solve an equation, we need to isolate the variable on one side of the equation. We can do this by performing the same operation on both sides. Step 4. Apply algebra to real-world problems. Algebra is used in various fields from science to finance. Practice solving word problems to see how algebra can be applied in real life. Step 5. Seek additional resources. There are plenty of online tutorials, textbooks, and practice problems available to help you learn algebra. Don't be afraid to seek extra help if needed. Remember, practice makes perfect. With consistent effort, you'll be an algebra pro in no time. Let's get solving.